welcome back to Sam610. So in today's video I want to talk about these Ray-Bans that I got from Temu for about $15. Unfortunately, as a lot of you may have know already, I had a pair of Ray-Bans that I got from eBay. These Ray-Bans are fake. They are not real, guys. Which were fake, and I actually did get my money back on those. And I gotta take my glasses off, it's too humid for that. But I accidentally had misplaced them, so I thought I would look for a replacement pair of Ray-Bans. So I went on Temu and I found these for about $15, so I'm just gonna go over them and let you know what my thoughts are on these. I'm sure by now that they're not available because they may have been busted, who knows. But the box looks legit. The box that I had for my fakes that I got from eBay, it was a little bit more of a matte finish and not as smooth as this box. So you can tell right away that this is fake just by feeling the box. There's no barcode, no stickers on it at all, which is a good indication that this is fake. It's just plain and yucky, and that's that's all about it for the box. So it did come with this case, which I can tell is fake right off the bat. Very, very cheap plastic. When you open it, you can just tell right off the bat that this is cheap. It's got the little Ray-Ban logo there, which of course is not authentic. It almost looks like a sticker was pressed on here to make it look believable. But it's not, it's fake. So here is the actual pair of Ray-Bans come in the plastic, which is an indication that these are fake. It does come with the little sheath to wash it, or a little cloth to wash the lenses, which really won't matter because I'll probably end up trashing these anyway. And it comes with a little booklet that says genuine since 1937, which we already know is a bunch of crap. Alright, so I'm going to open these up. It's like a little Ziploc bag, and my first impression is they're terrible. It's a terrible fake. You can see right off the bat that this is a cheap plastic and it's shiny. The other ones that I had were really good fakes. I took them to Sunglass Hut before I lost them, and they told me that they're really good fakes. The only way to tell the difference is by the weight. The other pair was heavier, and the other pair I had was lighter. So that was the indication that they were fake. You can see here, there's no Ray-Ban logo on top of the lens at all. That's an indication that these are fake. Most Ray-Bans that I'm familiar with have the Ray-Ban logo on the lenses, and these do not. Another indication is the type of screws they use. You're not going to be able to see this, but these are regular little Phillips screwdriver screws, and they're black and they're cheap. And the original Ray-Bans, to my understanding, they're silver and they're not black, so they're not going to match the actual body of the sunglasses, to my understanding. Another indication that these are fake is inside the arms.
Sorry, could you say that again? My apologies.
Siri, knock it off. Another way to tell that they're actually fake is that there's no indication that they're Ray-Bans and where they're made at on the arms at all. It's just plain. There's nothing there at all telling you that these are Ray-Bans and that they were made wherever they were made from. I think Italy, I think it is. So it doesn't tell you anything that where these are made from at all. And at least the fakes that I had were really, really good fakes. But these, as soon as I opened them up, I knew it wasn't even close. Another way to tell that they're fake is the way this stretches. I could tell that this is cheap and plastic, and it's probably gonna end up it'll probably end up breaking eventually. So these are definitely not real, and also the might be hard for you guys to see, the Ray-Ban logo on here is just terrible. It's horrible. It sticks out. It's bumpy when you run your finger over it. They're just really, really bad. And the black is on the Ray-Ban logo, which the logo must have went on, and they must have been spray painted or painted over the logo. I can see traces of black going over the logo. So these are really bad. However, they are polarized. I did try them on, and they are polarized. They look decent, but these are faker than fake. These are the worst fakes I've ever seen in my life, and I did a lot of research online. These are just terrible. You know, I thought about just getting my money back and end up keeping them, and maybe I'll give. Man, it's hot in here.
Hot, damn hot, real hot. Hot in this is my shorts. I can cook things in it.
Maybe I'll just give them to my son and be like, here, you know, here's a pair of fake Ray-Bans. I showed them to him, and he's 9 years old, and he's like, wow. He's like, they're really bad. Your other ones look really good. What happened with my other ones, in case a lot of you are wondering from the past video that I did, I was getting ready to go camping, and I think what happened was I was hooking up the trailer, hooking up the camper to my truck, and I'm notorious for this. I laid my sunglasses on the back of the bumper, and I have never seen them again. So that's exactly what happened. I left them in the back of the bumper. I went down the highway, and they probably fell off somewhere. I mean, they were $72 fakes, but I got my money back, so I didn't pay anything for them. So I didn't lose anything out of it. You know, I just lost a pair of sunglasses. But yeah, I mean, these are terrible. I don't recommend buying any Ray-Bans off of Temu at all. So this is where I'm going to leave this video, guys. I just wanted to share with you how bad these sunglasses are. For instance, I got these sunglasses. They're gray body glove sunglasses. I wear these on the beach. These are absolutely great. I think these were like $15 or $30 or something like that at Walmart. These are my new favorite pair of sunglasses. They're inexpensive. If I lose them, I'm not going to miss anything. However, my wife has a pair, the same exact pair, and when you get the lenses wet, it deteriorates the film that's on it, the polarized film. I was lucky enough not to get these messed up yet. I'm sure I will eventually. But these are my go-to sunglasses. I normally don't do sunglasses on my channel, but I see that the other video did really well with my Ray-Bans. So I thought, why not shoot another video with a fake pair of Ray-Bans. And again, I keep saying the worst fake pair of Ray-Bans I've ever owned in my life. They're horrible. They didn't even try. They just found a cheap pair of sunglasses, you know, threw that little Ray-Ban logo in it, painted it, and called it a day. And I think that's what happened with those. So I probably will reach out to Temu. I'll probably end up getting a refund. I'll probably end up keeping the product anyway. So they're probably going to end up being a free pair of sunglasses. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to share these horrible sunglasses with you. So if you liked today's video, guys, please give me that thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I do unboxing, tech reviews, and whatever comes in my mind. I try to do some influence videos to help influence you to start creating on YouTube, and I try and share my analytics and my data and what's taking me there to grow this channel and what it takes to be monetized. And I open up the books also, and I let you guys know how much I make. So again, please like this video, guys, if you like today's video. As always, guys, later.